Welcome to the first video in our series on Reveille's 5-step ROI process. These steps will deepen your understanding of ECM, IDP, and RPA challenges, help you evaluate whether a purpose-built solution like Reveille is needed, and equip you to present a strong business case to management. We're kicking things off with Step 1, Quantifying Disruptions. This is where we start turning assumptions into data and data into ROI. When a business-critical ECM, IDP, or RPA system slows down or goes offline, the impact is immediate and expensive. The question is, how do you quantify this information? Where do you start? The Reveille ROI calculator tool was built just for this purpose. This calculator can be used for ECM or IDP purposes by helping you get a sense of the number of issues you are having and their frequency. To start, it's important to know the number of overall users of the system, along with concurrent users. This gives a sense of the impact when disruptions occur. How many active users can't access the content, for instance? For IDP, you'll want to consider processes impacted by disruptions to document capture and downstream impact. It's also key to quantify the staff supporting these systems. With that information in, the calculator gives great insight on the type of information needed to properly quantify ECM, IDP, and RPA disruptions. This includes the number of SEV1s, 2s, and 3s, and their frequency, also the estimates on how many users are impacted by each type of issue. Also, we need to quantify the impact to support staff in terms of number of employees and their time. This is a Reveille-built calculator. However, we used industry estimates and standards from the likes of Gartner, Forrester, and IBM. This tool should act as a framework to help you quantify your own disruptions. We encourage your team to gather metrics and evaluate them in a way that's fitting for your organization. Here you can see general cost impact estimates that we'll dive into in the next videos. Quantifying disruptions is the foundation of the Reveille ROI story. When you can show hard numbers, the case for proactive monitoring becomes clear. In the next video, we'll dive into Step 2, Identifying your disruption areas.